Hello, this video covers how a current or returning Immerse2learn user will activate a subscription code. Start by logging in. Go to immerse2learn.com/lms/login. Input your login information and click the Login button. Now cursor over the enrollment menu at the top of the page and click Class Enrollment. Input the exact subscription code. Note, subscription codes are case sensitive, so be sure to input your exact code. Click the Submit Code button. Upon submitting a valid code, you'll be redirected back to Immerse2learn homepage. The activation process is now complete. If an invalid code is entered, you'll receive a message at the top of the page. Check your entry and try again. For support, contact support@immerse2learn.com.